Today, I'm going to show you how to install your Coverland Premium Seat Cover set on a Chevrolet Silverado or GMC Sierra 1500, compatible with years 2019 through 2026. I'll walk you through installation on the front and back seats, show you what's in the box, and give you tips for the best possible fit. When you open your kit, you'll find all the pieces you need for each seat in your vehicle. Each set includes a seat cushion cover, backrest cover, headrest cover, along with several connection straps, chucks, hooks, and extenders. We'll start by installing the front seats. Front seat cushions. Begin with the seat cushion covers. Attach either the metal hooks or D-rings to the front straps, depending on the structure under your seat. Next, attach the plastic chucks to the elastic bands on the back of the cushion cover. Place the cover onto the seat, then insert the rear straps between the seat back and seat cushion. Secure them by pushing the chucks into the gap until they wedge firmly in place. You can use the included fitting knife to help push the material in for a clean, finished look. Once the cover is aligned, bring the front straps underneath the seat and secure them tightly so the cushion won't shift during use. Repeat this full process for the other front seat, front backrest, and headrest. Now move on to the backrest covers. Insert the plastic chucks in the elastic bands along the bottom of the backrest cover. Slide the cover over the seat back like a t-shirt and pull it down evenly. Insert the chucks between the backrest and seat cushion and rotate them so they lock in place. Secure the Velcro at the top and bottom of the backrest cover. If space is tight, you can raise the headrest slightly to help slide the cover into position. Next, slide the headrest cover over the headrest and fasten the Velcro underneath. Adjust the fit so it sits smoothly and evenly. Front middle console. For openable bottom seats, open the lid and slide the middle bottom cover over the console, threading the elastic band through. Tuck the Velcro section into the gap beneath the lid. You can use your Coverland fitting knife to help push the material through. Pull the material through the gap as much as you can, then peel the material off the Velcro. Stick the Velcro to the bottom of your console. Next, take the upper portion of the center console cover and feed it underneath your console. Pull it out from the back and leave it for the next steps of the install. Next, unzip the console cover and slide it over the console. Pull the seat belt through the opening, zip the cover closed, and lower the console back into place. Pull the elastic bands toward the rear of the console and secure them behind the lid. Wrap the front elastic corners snugly and adjust the cover so it aligns cleanly with the console. Rear seat cushion. Now we'll move on to the rear seats. Attach the plastic chucks to the elastic bands on the back of the cushion cover. Place the cover on the seat and insert the chucks into the gap between the seat cushion and the backrest. Lift the seat cushion up, connect the side elastic buckles through the front elastic bands, then fold the seat back down to lock everything in place. Repeat this process for the driver's side rear cushion, which uses additional elastic bands for a secure fit. Rear backrest and headrests. Before installing the rear back headrest cover, remove all rear headrests. Pull the seat belts forward to make room. Then slide the backrest cover down between the seat belt and seat back. Insert the chucks into the gap between the backrest and seat cushion, adjusting their angle so that they stay locked in place. Locate the tabs underneath the cover and pull them through the openings. Insert the stick holders around the edges of the backrest using the fitting knife to keep everything tight and flush. Reinstall the headrests through the openings in the cover. Slide the headrest covers onto each headrest and secure the Velcro underneath. Lift the rear seat cushions again. Pull the side elastic buckles from underneath, connect them together, and fold the seats back down for a smooth, unified fit. For the final step, double check that all covers are aligned properly. All straps are tight, and no airbags or seat belts are obstructed. Thanks for watching. If this video helped, please like, comment, and subscribe for more installation guides and tips. Whether it's a long road trip or a daily drive, Coverland seat covers are the silent heroes of your interior. They're an easy, effective way to upgrade comfort, protection, and style.